Varied dictation. The subject matter taken down should be as varied as possible so that the writer's vocabulary may be extended. But special regard should be had to the object for which the art is being acquired. As to the size of the shorthand, that which is natural to the individual is the best for him, but the writing should not be cramped. A free style is necessary and should be cultivated. It will add greatly to the legibility of the notes if the large circles, loops, and hooks are excreted in size. The pen should be held with only moderate pressure and the whole hand posed lightly on the little finger should move with it. The common tendency to write sprawling outlines when writing at a high speed is distinctly bad. The immediate cause is mental stress, partly induced by anxiety lest a word should be omitted. It is obviously preferable to omit a few outlines rather than to risk the legibility of many. If the possibility of an occasional omission is not a source of fear, and if there is confidence in the ability to record, at all events, the essential words of the speaker, the best chance is secured of recording everything. Even if something important has been left out, confidence must be maintained, or the rest of the note will suffer. So, when you are taking the diction, you have to keep in mind if you left some words, you have to move forward, not to stop or not to be in nervous. Otherwise, your other remaining portion of the dictation will suffer because of your nervousness. So, be confident while you're taking the dictations. It's okay if you let some words, but continue further.